what I wanted to cover today is a tool that I actually use quite heavily called Notion AI. Here, what I've done is I've kind of created this really nice sort of landing page in terms of Amazon. Obviously, you can clearly see who it is. It's got some imagery, so it's just a little bit more interesting than kind of seeing some of the very black and white stuff that you've got. I've also kind of linked other pages which I've created behind this as well. What I can do using Notion is I can begin to kind of paint a picture, and this is what I really like about this. I can kind of direct people to this. Quite often, what I will do is connect with them on LinkedIn. I'll send a video to them actually within the messaging, and then I'll send a link to them to these pages so that they can effectively kind of go through them at the leisure and kind of take the time. I like to do this. Obviously, I'm an agency recruiter, so I can kind of keep control of where I want someone to be. But also, it's really kind of on the principle in terms of I can sit and try and persuade or try and talk someone into something, but what I like to do is just kind of show them, and hopefully, and I find that a lot easier to kind of do the sell by doing that.